In this video, I will demonstrate how to convert a 2D image into a 3D animation using AI. So we are going to use a AI tool called Immersity AI. We'll begin by navigating to the Immersity AI using any web browser. You'll search for Immersity AI in the search bar. You'll click on this first link. Here you'll be asked to sign into your account. Now once you are logged in, you'll select an image by clicking on this upload. Now we have variety of options. You have 2D to 3D motion, 2D to 3D image, 2D to 3D video, and edit natural depth. So first you upload your image here. Now once you have uploaded your image, it will appear here. Now Immersity AI has automatically generated depth layers. You can manually adjust these layers if needed to improve the spatial arrangement. This step enhances the 3D effect by defining how far objects appear from the viewer. For best results, use a high resolution image with a clear background. So as we have the 3D motion, the motion styles are a variety of them are present. Let's select vertical. Then we have the horizontal. So this defines the motion of the image, like the main object of the image. You can also zoom at the center. Now we can also further edit it by manual settings. We have positions, we have the three axes, x axis, y axis, and z axis. We can position it accordingly. Then we have the y axis, then the z axis. There are further settings for middle point and ending point. Then we have the amount of motion. We can reduce it or increase it as per our preference. Then we have the animation length, how long we want the animation to be. We'll keep it 10 seconds for now. Then we have the focus point. We'll click on set focus point and then we'll select where we want the focus of the image to be. Let's say I select this. So the image is mainly focused on this eye, and that's how you use this feature. Then we also have an option for depth map, but it is only available for Immersity 3.0. So if you don't like this, you can also reset the image by clicking on reset over here. And the animation settings have successfully resetted. Then after adjusting the animations, you can click on export after your images as per your preference. You'll select the format, then click on next. Then you'll select the size and click on next. Some features are available only for premium users. Then the last option, we'll click on export. After your image is exported, you can download it or go to My Exports to view it. You can now share it on social media, include it in your presentations, or use it in any digital project. This concludes the process of converting an image to a 3D animation using Immersity AI.